Hello there, I'm your wellbeing advisor. My name's Helen. I work for Mood Essential Oils. So following on from some of my videos about how your mind works, about mindfulness, I really wanted to share with you another tool that helps to make a change in your mind and your thoughts. And this is something called affirmations. Now, an affirmation, is a statement that we make, and we make it in a positive way. And then we repeat this affirmation to ourselves. And then this goes into our subconscious mind, which we all know about now. And this affirmation in your subconscious will help to create the pathways that we spoke about before. Because what will happen is our subconscious will accept it, it will believe it to be true, and therefore it will help to start creating this in our life. So what you need to do to make an affirmation is you need to have the issue at mind that you want to change. You might have done your mindfulness and realised what you want to change. And then what you need to do is you need to think about what you're going to create. So for example, if you want to think, be successful, for example, your affirmation would be, I am successful. If it's around your weight or your health, it would be, I am healthy, or you could say, I am a healthy weight. If it's around finances, you could say, I am financially secure. I am rich, I am abundant. Basically, it's really important that you phrase it as if that is the case. So we're not saying, I hope, I'm not saying I would like, you're not saying one day it would be great, because then you're telling your subconscious mind that you don't have it. You're telling it it's not a reality. So what you have to do with an affirmation is state it like it is a reality, because as we said before, your subconscious will believe whatever you tell it, whether it's a reality or not. So just remember that. If you think affirmations are a bit woolly and a bit, I'm not sure it's going to work, what you're telling yourself, your subconscious will believe. It will then go on to help you create that, to find it in your life. So what you need to do is repeat this to yourself like a mantra, okay? So you can look at yourself in the mirror and do this. You can repeat it to yourself. 108 times is a really auspicious number to do that. Sounds a lot, but it really helps to work. You can write them down, put them somewhere you can see it, or just literally write it out every day. So just use it to your benefit, and then you will see the benefit. When you're doing this process, it's really good to do it for 21 days, as this is how long it actually takes your mind to create a new habit, basically. So I hope you found that useful. Go and make your affirmation, use it. What harm can it do? It's not going to hurt. Give it a try and see what happens.